This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Greer. No stairs. Light and bright San Clemente single-level living floor plan. Enjoy the serene park-like open views from your 2 private lanai. This home has 2 bedrooms with ensuite baths and a 2-car garage. Some of the numerous upgrades include a newer AC, stainless steel appliances, 20 inches porcelain tile on the diagonal in the living areas, 7 deep crown molding, beadboard wainscoting, tile backslash, and so much more. The village center's outstanding amenities include an English pub, bistro, ice cream parlor, internet cafe, resort-style pool, fitness center, 90-seat movie theater, cozy library, and computer lab, basketball, bocce ball, and tennis. Live the Ole Lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Greer at 800-237-8817 extension 1231.